Guys, welcome back to my channel, Teaching Foxy. In the previous video, we discussed about resume, the importance of resume, how you can make your resume more appealing, how you can make your resume appeal to a recruiter or appeal. We discussed about the keywords, how the application tracking system, the artificial intelligence enabled tracking system shortlists resumes. So in this video, we're going to touch upon the structure of the resume. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the keywords and the importance of using the keywords, how using the keywords make the resume more appealing and helps you getting selected or shortlisted through the online or the artificial intelligence enabled tracking system. So basic structure of the resume. If you have a template, use the template. If you have a standard template which is relevant to your role, try and use the template. Saves you a lot of time and gives you a good appealing resume. So just for your reference, I'm going to showcase a small template, simple yet easy. Guys, keep your resume crisp, keep it short, keep it one pager. So the first thing is your name. Give your full name. The first part of your resume will have your personal details. You can also give your title. For example, you can, if you are a software engineer, you can showcase after your name. You can, for example, Java programmer, C++ expert, or relevant. If you're a safety expert, you can say I am. Underneath your resume, you can showcase your experience as a safety expert. After that, if your job you're applying for is relevant, where you need a photograph to be showcased, showcase your photograph. Use a very smart photograph. If you need a professional help, go to a professional and take a picture. That really helps. Don't just use any other picture. Take a picture on a formal attire, well groomed. That gives a very good impression. Give your contact details. Your contact details include your contact number, your email address, your postal address. Guys, be very mindful when you're giving your email address. If you're using the same old email address which you've been using through college and school, which is jumpingmonkey@xyz.com, that doesn't work. That gives a very wrong impression about you, unprofessional impression. So if you don't have a proper email address, make one for this job. That really helps. Then talk about your work experience. When you're this is particularly relevant for experienced people. So when you talk about your work experience, you must be having vast amounts of work experience that could not be relevant to the current role you're applying for. So showcase the experience which is relevant to your job role. So this will be really helpful if you see my next video regarding the keywords. So you can use those keywords from your job role you're applying to and showcase your skills in your work experience. For those of you who are freshers and do not have work experience, talk about the project works you've done, talk about the assignments you've done through your college, talk about your cultural events, talk about your market research, talk about your support extended by peers, by seniors and all that. That really helps. And when you're talking about all this, relate to the job role you're applying for. Next point in your resume is skills. Showcase your skills relevant to the job you're applying for. You must be having multiple programming, software skills. You must be having multiple relevant hardware skills, multiple relevant courses you've done. But you need to showcase what is relevant to this job role. So again, the relevance will come through the keywords which the resume is posted for. So that will be more explained in the next video. After the skills, you showcase your certifications. Again, showcase your relevant certifications. I am again and again talking about relevance because the resume has to be short and crisp. The interviews do not have time to go through lengthy resumes. So showcase them, the relevant skills, and when you go meet them, and when you have time, you can talk about in detail. So be very crisp, showcase the skills in a relevant way. The last is your educational qualifications. Your educational qualifications based on your previous education, showcase them. Not necessary to go in detail, be very crisp. Not every recruiter needs to know your percentage. Unless you've been asked for a certain cutoff for a percentage, mention your percentage. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Your course, the university, and the year of passing. That should be good. And if you have any references, if you have any references in the corporate world, that will really help. Your previous employer, your previous boss, your seniors, your peers, that will really help. So that's the basic structure of the resume, guys. In the next video, I'm going to showcase about keywords, how the keywords will make your resume more relevant, more appealing, and more lucrative for the recruiter or for the software tool which is shortlisting the resumes. Thank you for watching.